Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about my Juspay interview experience. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about all the rounds I have given in the Juspay and what are the questions asked in the interview. I'm going to talk about each and every round. I'm going to talk about each and every question in detail. So without any further delay, let's get started. So I have been through the Juspay selection process 1 year ago, and yeah, that selection process is very amazing and very challenging process. So let's start with the first round which I have given. The first round basically consists of MCQ rounds where we have allocated 30 minutes, and in the 30 minutes we have asked about various MCQs question of different subjects like data structures, computer networks and all. And based on that, your mark in that MCQ round, you have been selected for the next round. That MCQ round is kind of difficult round where we have to solve certain amount of question in just 30 minutes, and yeah, there is of course negative marking, so believe me, that is kind of tough, but you can crack it. In that round, from my college, many of the students were seated, like approx 600 students have seated on that round. So let's talk about the second round, which is coding round, where 3 coding questions were asked, and all the coding questions are not going to be easy questions for me at that time, because I'm kind of beginner in the programming, and also those questions are not based on simple string and array. Those questions are based on tree, graph, linked list, like that. So yeah, that is kind of challenging, but I can able to solve those questions. Like, we have given 3 hours for 3 questions, and of course I can able to solve that. Approx 200 students are selected in this round, and based on their performance in the coding round, they are going to be processed in the upcoming rounds. From here, the actual thing started, which is the third round, and the third round is Juspay Learnathon round, where we have allocated certain problem statement, and we have to develop some kind of application based on that problem statement using Prometheus, Grafana, Docker, Kubernetes, and all. All the steps are written over there. You just have to follow that step, and you just have to add on some kind of concept of that so that you can able to make that. And they have assigned somebody to us, like, to solve that particular problem statement. So, like, you can ask question, you can ask help to the buddy, help from the buddy, and buddy is not going to directly help you, like directly give a solution. They can give you a hints and like that, how can you do that, and based on the help, based on the suggestion, you have to do that. So for that particular learnathon, approx 30 to 60 students are selected, and they are just seated on that learnathon. And like, learnathon goes for the 2 days. First day, like, for the first days we have done development, for the second days we have done development based on that. And on both the days, after like 6-7 hours, our buddy going to take an interview of us, like what you did in that day, what you have learned on that day. Like, he asks certain kind of question based on my learnings, based on my experience on that, and I can able to give an answer, like satisfactory answer to my buddy. So yeah, after that round, after learnathon round, approx 10 students are selected for the next round. Next round is the actual technical interview round, where like we are asked some technical question based on all the important aspects, like of course Docker, Kubernetes, Prometheus, Grafana. Apart from that, there are certain amount of computer network question also, because maybe they are particularly focused on computer networks kind of concept over there. So they ask question based on computer networks and all these stuffs in the technical round. And yeah, that is kind of very amazing technical round for me, because that is kind of the first interview for me at that time. And yeah, little bit of learning for me on that interview. Some of the question I can't able to answer, but I have given the satisfactory answer to the interviewer, and he's kind of impressed after that interview. So this is the technical round aspect, where it happens for approx 45 minutes, and after that, one more round is HR round. So here it comes the HR round, which is the final round, where 4 students are selected for the HR round. Finally comes the HR round of Juspay. In the HR round, the HR did not ask that amount of question. Like, that HR round goes for approx 30 minutes. He asked some HR question, basic HR question. You can like see research on that. And also he asked some technical question based on my past learning, like how interviews goes, what are the question asked in the previous interviews, and the extension of that, he asked some technical questions for me. So yeah, that is my whole interview experience of Juspay. If you like it, please like and share this video. Like, if you want what other question asked, you can ask in the comment section. I will provide what other question asked. So yeah, I'm wrapping this video over here, signing off.